Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the double Vwap indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the double Vwap indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 19 strategies with 3 winners. We have also tested 352 indicators with a total of 143 winners. The best ones were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 143 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the double Vwap indicator. You can see it here on screen. Let me see if I can change the color of this, maybe to blue. Yeah, let's do blue. Make it a little bit easier to see there. And the setting on this is rather weird, and so instead of being able to set it, I mean, I guess you could set it like 30, 60, so on. But what I did was I actually put it on a 3-month, and I did that because anything lower than that was hugging price action like extremely close. You can see here, obviously, this is not going to work on most of the indicators or most of the moving averages that we have tested. We did on a 30 period setting, and obviously on a 30 period setting, I mean, this is just going to be crazy. We're going to take a signal every single day, and at that point, we're basically just flipping a coin. And so what I did was kept bumping this setting back until I found something that kind of closely resembled a reasonable moving average setting. And so this is on 3 months. So basically, like the rest of the moving averages that we have tested, when the price action breaks down below the moving average, we're going to go short, or when it breaks up above the moving average, we're going to go long. So it's basically what we are playing with here. All right, so this one's going to be a little bit strange. We pick up right here, 152. That is a red candle right there is the first of the month, so we are within the year. We are at 152.10. The close of this was at 152.08, and so that would be a valid signal breaking to the downside. But almost immediately you can see that we bump up there, closing above, and then down pretty quickly, and then once again back up above right there. See if we picked up take profit. We did not, and again almost immediately we break to the downside right there. Excuse me. Looks like we got to take profit on this one right there. We break to the upside right there. Looks like we get to take profit on that one. So this isn't quite out of the woods yet. Let's keep tracking along. So we get a break to the downside there, but pretty quickly a reverse and break back up to the upside right there. That one's definitely going to get us to take profit. Then a break to the downside right here, and measure this out. Looks like we may have gotten stopped out. Nope, we actually didn't. And then we pick up that winning trade right there. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut out some of the video here, that way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're closer to the end of the year. Alright, so we are almost to the end of the year now. Let's go ahead and finish up these last couple of signals here. So we pick up a short right there. It's going to get stopped out by a long right there. Then pretty quickly pick up a short to the downside right there. This one, double check, we didn't get stopped out there. Nope, we did not. And we definitely get to take profit here, and you can see that this price action drops down pretty significantly, and then we end up at the end of the year right before all this stuff starts to happen right there. Alright, so before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to the Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, it will give you access to the Patreon only channel. Really super cheap, doesn't cost hardly anything at all. We're posting some really good advanced information in the Patreon only channel, discussions about just trading strategies, indicators, philosophy, stuff like that. In general, trading stuff. Like I said, very, very cool. Our admin Jay has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms, and so if you use the MT platforms quite a bit rather than TradingView, that would be a very useful list for you to have. Our admins and some of the other members are posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, where they're putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, areas where their indicators are showing them that they should be either entering, exiting, taking profit, the whole deal, showing you basically the whole setup or trade analysis that they're going to be taking, growing small accounts really quickly. And so if you're looking to train your eye to look for those ideal market conditions, or trying to dial in a trading strategy again for those ideal market conditions, then they are showing you exactly those conditions that you should be looking for. Really, really great stuff. Wonderful, positive environment to be involved with. Highly recommend it. So back to the indicator here. Let's see. Let's get everything in focus here, like that. All right, let's count these out and see what we get out of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. So we have 29 trading signals altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 winning trades. And so that's not going to meet the 60% criteria. Another moving average that has bit the dust. Honestly, a lot of the moving averages that we have tested, I think out of all the moving averages that we have tested, I think only 1 or 2 have been winners. I mean, it's a very, very small amount out of all the moving averages that we have tested. And so this goes, to just kind of solidify the fact that I don't believe moving averages make decent indicators, especially not for an entry or a baseline. I mean, no doubt they have their place, maybe just to identify the overall trend direction, but besides that, moving averages seem to do extremely bad. Considering how popular they are, I guess I should say they do extremely bad because people love moving averages. It's crazy how many people talk about moving averages like they're the holy grail, but they just are not holding up to the testing. So this one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.